तो जी आज हम बात करेंगे 5 ऐसी बेहतरीन किताबों की जिनको आप पढ़कर ना सिर्फ अपनी स्पीकिंग बल्कि वोकैबुलरी भी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो। पहली बुक है द एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी केसेस ऑफ शर्लॉक होम्स। इफ़ यू लाइक टू रीड डिटेक्टिव novels then this is for you. Sherlock Holmes is the detective in the story and the story revolves around his cases. The second book in our list is Sons and Lovers. I have bought this book in my BS when I was studying. Basically, this book contains a critical appreciation of the story as well. So you can buy only the book, or maybe you can buy this one with critical appreciation to comprehend the story well. Third one is A Doll House. It is one of my favorite play of all time. This story tells us about feminism. Being a female, I love to read feminist piece of fictions. Third one is Matilda. You can also watch the movie on this novel. But personally, if you are a book reader, I would recommend you to read this. You will definitely love more than the movie. This story is under 16, so you can make your children read this. Last one is The Glass Menagerie, written by Tennessee William. I personally love it. This is also a feminist play and it follows the story of a female. So these are the 5 books which I recommend you should read if you are a book reader or if you love to read English literature. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you cannot miss any update.